Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a VPN connection on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the setting and gear icon on your phone, meaning to swipe up to get to the menu, but it should say settings. So go ahead and open that up. Select the network and internet button, and then you want to select VPN. So at this point, select the plus icon in the top right corner, and then go ahead and enter in the credentials for the VPN service. And then you would probably want to check mark always on VPN down here at the bottom before you're done. And then you would select save, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.